What legal risks do AI-generated identities pose? Imagine a world where digital faces and voices can be created instantly, mimicking real people perfectly. It sounds exciting, but it also raises some serious legal questions. When artificial intelligence generates identities, it can blur the lines of privacy, ownership, and trust. These risks are especially important as laws around digital identities continue to develop. One major concern is privacy violations. AI can use real people's images, voices, or personal details without asking for permission. This can infringe on privacy rights and the right of publicity, which protects individuals from having their identity used for commercial purposes without consent. Laws vary by country, but generally, using someone's likeness without approval can lead to legal claims. Even if the AI makes small changes, it might still resemble the person closely enough to cause trouble. Fraud is another big issue. Synthetic identities created by AI can be used to open bank accounts, apply for loans, or access services fraudulently. These identities can include fake driver's licenses or birth certificates that look authentic. Because AI can generate highly realistic documents and images, it becomes harder for institutions to detect fake identities. This kind of fraud can lead to financial losses and legal actions against those involved. AI-generated content can also harm reputations. Deepfake videos or manipulated images can falsely show people doing or saying things they never did. When such content spreads quickly online, it can damage someone's reputation or lead to defamation lawsuits. This misuse of AI can cause emotional distress and legal complications for creators and distributors. Intellectual property rights are also at risk. AI can produce identities that incorporate copyrighted images, trademarks, or artistic styles without permission. Since copyright laws often requiring human authorship, ownership of AI-created content is unclear. Companies that use AI to generate identities might face lawsuits if their synthetic outputs infringe on someone else's protected work. Legal frameworks around digital identity are still evolving. Different regions have varying rules about data privacy and AI content. Organizations must stay updated to avoid penalties. They need to ensure that any AI-generated identity involving personal data complies with laws like the General Data Protection Regulation or similar regulations in their country. Ethical questions also come into play. Using AI-generated identities without clear consent can lead to personal harm and societal mistrust. Companies should have strict policies for transparency and accountability. This includes obtaining explicit permission when using real people's likenesses and implementing strong fraud detection systems. To manage these risks, businesses should always seek consent when using real individuals' images or voices. They should also monitor for potential misuse and infringing content. Staying informed about emerging laws and regulations helps avoid legal trouble. Clear policies on who owns AI-generated content and who is liable for misuse are essential. By taking these steps, organizations can better navigate the legal landscape surrounding AI-generated identities. This helps protect individuals' rights, prevent fraud, and build trust in digital identity systems. As technology advances, understanding these legal risks will be key to shaping a responsible and fair future for artificial intelligence and digital identities.